Then some DEM applications. You know, digital elevation model data is very useful in different type of analysis. See, creation of relief map and 3D visualization, extracting terrain parameters for geomorphology, because they are very definitely they are helpful in studying the forestry. Hydrologic runoff modeling. How the hydrology is changing. Runoff, if runoff is there, how the area will be inundating, where the water will be stored, what will be the area will be under water. Those type of modeling can be done using digital elevation model, because they have height, slope, different type of information. Then drainage basin monitoring. If you have to create drainage basin and its monitoring, for that digital elevation model data are very important. And there is avalanche and landslide monitoring. Many times it is not as important for forestry purpose people. This is geology and disaster management people. Precision farming and forestry, it is very useful in that also. Then flood monitoring. See, I have prepared one relief model, Cartosat dam से मैंने हिमालय के part का, in which this is the plain area, this is Himalayan part. I have prepared. You can also prepare, and you can extract a lot of information. You know, different stream can be generated using digital elevation models. That sort of information you can extract from digital elevation models. Stream, this drainage has been generated using the same digital same DEM data. From the same DEM data, we have generated this drainage. If you want to do watershed analysis, basin morphometry, all those linear and aerial parameters you can calculate using a remote sensing data in GIS environment. In GIS environment, you will be generating these things. If you have to create a watershed at particular point, suppose here, what will the watershed here? It will be generating watershed up at this point. So for that, DEM models are available. The data sources and software, I just want to discuss what are the different data sources. LIS, MSS, TM, ETM, LIS is IRS data. These are Landsat data. This is TERAS, ESTER data. These are MSS data. Okay? Apart from multispectral data, some hyperspectral data for learning purpose, Hyperion data is available for different steps in different parts of India. For that, if you want to learn something, that data is available. Luckily, your area falls in that particular strip where for the data is available. You can use for the analysis also. These are DEM data available, SRTM, GDEM, Cartosat DEM, and all are 30-meter resolution data that can be freely downloaded. Earlier, SRTM data other than the US was 90 meter, but now from 2014-15, 30-meter resolution data is available. A lot of free softwares are there. QGIS. It is very good software, equivalent to ArcGIS. If people are using this, most of the things can be done in QGIS. ArcGIS is very good software handling everything. Even many of the image processing techniques, things you can do here also. ERDAS and ELVIS. There, ERDAS and ELVIS are specialized remote sensing image processing softwares. ELVIS is free image processing software, and many more. If you look for that, many things are there where you can download their data. Thank you. That is from my side.